knew she would enjoy it. She was timid at first, but after she get the hang of it, she's having the time of her life. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. She ain't gonna wanna leave this park. Look at her. Oh my God. Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new sunny day here and I am taking my kids out of the house. My kids on vacation and we can't stay in the house every day. I can't be selfish and be working and have them in the house every day. So I'm taking them to the water park in town today. So I am at the bus stop waiting on the bus right now. And I also need to do a little bit more shopping for myself. So the aim is to do the shopping first and just chill at the water park for the rest of the day. There's a water park and a play park just beside, so I intend on bringing them to both. So it should be a fun day, especially for Sarah because she loves water. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. Tyler is here. Say morning to the face.
Wagwan.
Let's see the princess. Say hello. Say hi. Say morning. Nothing. You just been gonna sit here with your pretty self.
Sarah.
What?
Sing ABC first. Sarah, sing ABC first. Sarah, sing ABC.
She's singing.
You have to which letter now?
I have no idea.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
W, X,
Y,
Z.
A, B, C.
Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and if it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. Let's go on a new adventure today, shall we? Anyway, you guys, let's go enjoy the good weather with the babies. The hardest thing is to be on the road all alone with two young kids. Is the hardest thing ever. We stopped to the Chinese store having lunch. We're just having salad. I had already made sandwiches for Tyler and Sarah had her food in the bag, so I just bought a sandwich and the names that they love. So they're eating names plus what I had carried from home. But it's the hardest thing to shop with them and to navigate with them on the road. But we are on the road having fun and eating, and then we are gonna head to the park. So it's gonna be a good day regardless of how struggling I am with the both of them. Hot.
Là-bas? Oui, je me rappelle pas, ça fait longtemps que je suis pas venu. Mais là, ça me manquait un peu les nems, vos nems. Il y a mangé.
Here's pineapple. You want pineapple? Pineapple?
Yes, Mama, I want pineapple. Tu veux une salade crevette, s'il te plaît?
Finally at the water park. Sarah, look! Touch it! Go, touch! Kick it, Tyler! Kick it so she see! Kick it! Kick it, Ty. Do like this, Ty, with your foot. Sarah is a little bit scared, but she's trying to build the courage. Catch it, Ty. Catch it so she can follow you. Go, Sarah, go. Yes, Sarah, good job. Don't splash the water this way. Look at her. Hi, princess! Hi! Hi! She's having the time of her life. Look at her. Hi! Hi, princess! Ty! Come back this way. Sarah! This way! Come on! Sarah, no! Go back this way. Go to Tai Tai. Up. Go up where the stroller is. Come, Sarah. Tyler, do it up here. Yes. Hold on. Tyler, a bit. Sarah, look at Tai Tai. Sarah, look. Over there, because a baby is here, okay? Sarah? Sarah? Go to Tyler. Go to Tyler. See Tyler over there. Man, Sarah is having the time of her life in this water. Oh my God. I knew she would enjoy it. She was timid at first, but after she get the hang of it, she's having the time of her life. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. She ain't gonna want to leave this park. Look at her. Oh my God. She's loving the water going up in from the hole. She's just having so much fun. Right now we are in the center of town. So we are in the middle of town right now. There's this big eco park and it's long from where I am to all the way up there. It have different sections. It have this section with the water. Then it have another section where just picnic, you can do just picnic. Then it have two play sections. One for the younger kids and one for the older kids, and it stretch go all the way to the end of the street. So that's where we are and they're having so much fun. Oh, the water stopped. Let me show you guys what it looks like when the water stops. So they break the water every now and then, just to know your they break the water every now and then. You did it. Look at you. Sarah is wondering where did the water go. So they're just gonna cool it down for a few minutes and then it's gonna come right back. So as you guys can see, there's so many kids out here with their parents, grandparents, you name it, and there's people passing through. And you guys know that my city is a very touristic city, so there's so much tourists out. When I was coming in the tram, I take the tram that was coming from the airport, and the tram was full with people with suitcases. So the vacationers are out in full swing. And hi my baby, hi, you are so wet. Look at them, they're so cute. The vacationers are out, the kids are out. So the water still haven't come back as yet. Everybody looking at Sarah and Tyler in their matching outfit and smiling as they pass.
Mama, when the water come back, he's getting caught, right?
If you stay there, you're gonna feel it come up and go. And it's gonna hit you hard when it's coming. It's gonna go.
No!
Because it's coming strong.
Why?
Because that's what happened. It come with a force.
Everything. And it's gonna go there.
What Sarah looking for it? She's wondering where is the water. Look at her, she's gone. The good thing is I can see her from a distance. The park is kind of clearing up with less people. I think we came at a good time, just after lunch, so I guess everybody left for lunch hour. But my kids ate and they're ready to play. Right now it should be Sarah nap time, but Sarah don't care for nap right now. She's having a blast. And it looks like it's gonna rain. The sky is getting dark. A little sweet girl and my sweet boy.
I do this.
Go, stay with your sister. Go on. I deliberately put them in a bright color because I need to be able to spot them wherever they are. So I want to get these two to leave the water section and go to the play section, but Tyler is not ready, and I thought Sarah was about to fall asleep. I took off her shoes and she went right down out my hand and gone back in the water. Look at her. She's not ready to go anywhere. Oh my God. Now we're at the PlayStation. She was crying. Look at her. She's happy now. Cuckoo! Hi! Hey! Hold on. Hold it! Hold. guys, it is raining like crazy outside, and we stopped to get some shelter in out of the rain. So Twilight having ice cream. Sarah fell asleep just when churros came. So I bought churros with Nutella and sugar. Why your face like that? It's yummy? Yeah? And she fell asleep. However, I have to be standing because I can't go upstairs and it's only one seat downstairs and somebody occupied. So I have to be standing on outside, which have a big sitting area. It's raining, so I can't go out there. But isn't this beautiful? You guys, look at that. You guys, what a long day. She's ready to eat. Come, let's go sit. You guys, I really thought I could come home and work. But honey child, let me tell you about tired. I am exhausted. Hold on. Sit. You want water? Okay. Water, please. Water, please. Take you yourself. She was really thirsty. Okay, pause. You guys, I was telling you that I thought I could come home and work, but I'm so tired. I went at my desk and I'm like, I just slumped down in it like this. Tired, but it was all worth it. My babies had so much fun today. They had so much fun. So I'm back and it was raining cats and dogs, raining so bad. So we wait a little bit, but we're home, we're dry and we're cozy and the kids are having dinner. It's Friday, but I'm not making any pizza today because I have some food in the fridge that they need to eat. So they're having macaroni and cheese and chicken. So it could stay till tomorrow, but Tyler said he wanted the macaroni and cheese instead of the pizza. So I give Sarah the same thing. So no pizza today, but we're good. Let's see what we will do for the rest of the afternoon. How are you guys doing now? How are you really doing? Hope you're staying safe. You're eating your favorite? Yeah.
Mama, no, why I choose this?
Why?
Because one time I hear somebody saying that every time I hear you think to face that every time we go to Jamaica, you need to make macaroni and cheese and sausage.
You're too funny. That's Papa's favorite thing to eat.